In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use ChatGPT to learn Korean. So, first of all, you need to know what a language is all about. It's all about learning the words from that language, learning how to pronounce the words, getting the meanings across, the translations, to be able to create sentences, to be able to converse, to be able to form sentences, and basically to be able to write the language and read it. Right? So the first and most basic thing you would need to ask ChatGPT is to get you some words, learn some translation words from your language to the language you're trying to learn. In this case, it would be Korean, right? So you could try asking ChatGPT to translate some of the most common words, right? So let's say, can you tell me the meaning of Korean in no, can you tell me the meaning of good morning in Korean, right? Just go ahead and search that, and it'll tell you what it actually means. Well, obviously, to start as a beginner, you can't go ahead and straight read this, right? But what ChatGPT does is it does give you an English version of on how to transform it, on how to translate it, or like how to read it across. And obviously, if you are conversing to ChatGPT in another language, let's say you're conversing to ChatGPT in French, it will tell you on how to pronounce this word, but it'll be a French type of translation here. It'll help you read this word, but using French alphabets or relatable to that, obviously. But in this case, since I'm conveying with ChatGPT in English, it helps me understand or read it in English. After you're used to some basic words, let's say some of the most basic words, you have a couple of knowledge, you have a good vocabulary in Korean, you have made flashcards, you have started making notes, you have been memorizing all the words continuously and making sure that you're up and all with that. Now you can start getting on with grammar. You can ask ChatGPT to explain the grammar structure in Korean. Can you explain me the grammar structure in Korean, right? Once you ask to explain that, it'll give you some of the most basic Korean structures. For example, it can also give you some vowels, nouns, verbs in present tense, past tense, and future tense. You can have a good read at it. If you don't understand anything, you can obviously re-ask questions to ChatGPT so it can help you understand them more easy, right? And after you're done with your vocabulary and grammar practice, now you should be able to speak uh, Korean to some extent, right? So now what you can do is you can ask ChatGPT to stimulate real life situations. By doing this, you'll be able to improve your speaking skill. You can ask ChatGPT to be a customer and perhaps you a shop employer, and then you can converse with each other and well improve your skill as in stimulating real life situations, right? Now, once you're good with that speaking skill, now you will need to be able to perfect your reading and writing. So you can ask ChatGPT to tell you all about the basic alphabets. You will need to be able to write all the basic alphabets, be able to write words, so and also be able to read, right? So, can you give me all the Korean alphabets, right? Go ahead and ask that, and it will so give you. So it's giving me all the Korean alphabets and how to also pronounce them in the language you're conveying it with. So I'm speaking with ChatGPT in English, so it's helping me read the alphabets in English, right? And after obviously you'll start making notes. You'll repeatedly write them till you memorize them, and then lastly you will need to perfect your reading skills, which you'll ask ChatGPT perhaps on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. Ask ChatGPT to give you a small paragraph to read and practice. So, can you give me a small Korean paragraph to read? To read, right? There we go. And it'll give you a small paragraph to read. You can have a go at it and practice reading. And like that, in a couple of months, if you practice daily, that is, you'll soon be able to reach your goal of learning Korean. So that'll be it for this video. And I hope this video helps you guys out. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.